Welcome to Platform 2011 in Baltimore, Maryland. Basically, what Platform is about is bringing Nigerian Muslims from different states to get together and share their knowledge with each other.
Of course, we have over 800 participants this year, which is way more than we expected. But we thank Allah for blessing us and making it a successful one for us.
Well, they did everything good. Yeah.
That's good. That's wonderful.
Ọlọ́run tó ṣe tọdún yìí tí gbogbo wa lè fi péjọ tá a gbọ́ra wáyé á jẹ́ ká di ẹ̀mí láti lè fi ṣe sí Ọlọ́run tó ń bá wa tó á tún bọ̀ bá wa tó ojú báyìí.
Inshallah, may Allah accept it for us as an act of ibadah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Our imam in the masjid and the executives told us about Platform and how it's a good program. So I decided to come because it's my first time and I want to see what they're doing here and what they want us to learn and what they have to offer.
I think they should, I like the Jeopardy idea, giving out prizes. That's a very good initiative for kids to go harder, to work harder in Islamic studies.
Honestly, the first time I really wasn't, looking forward to it. But now that I know what it is, I'm looking forward to the second one, for my second one in Minnesota. So I'm very excited about it.
This is your first time too?
Yes.
To come to Platform program?
Yes.
You had fun?
Yes.
How did you hear about this Platform program that makes you to come this year?
My teacher there, my Arabic teacher told me about it, and I was like, yeah, I'll go. I didn't really have anything to do during the break, so I just paid for it and came, and it was really good. It was worth the money.
It worth the money?
Yeah.
Allah.
I'm Faidat Bajabi Amila from Nasardin chapter.
Sidikat Junaid.
From?
Nasardin, Maryland.
Muftia Ogunsanya from Nasardin. Mariam Nephew from Nasardin.
Okay, in other words, 4 of you from Asharuddin. Allah.
Well, it's different from, I've never been to a place where there's so many Nigerian Muslims. So it was really interesting to interact with my fellow Nigerians and my fellow
Muslim?
Yes, I'm
Allah Akbar Kabira. What's your name?
Sahila.
Good. Now, is this the first time coming to Platform program?
No, this is my second time.
Through the 2011 platform, I know that we've learned a lot. Starting from group 1 to group 4. Please, let's put all what we learned into practice. About our manners. Let's be
Ọlọ́run pé iṣẹ́ ní lọ́wọ́ torí ẹni tí wọ́n bá pè ipò wa sáà níbi títọ́ Ọlọ́run máa wò báwo ló ṣe wò sí bẹ́yàn bá ti ṣe títọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba sí bẹ́ẹ̀ láàrín Ọlọ́run ṣe sí.
Is this the biggest one? Are we not excited to see this one? Do you want to know who won it? Do you want to know who worked hard for it? And this beautiful trophy goes to Muhammad Ashimi.
maslo muwayidi nabili yakini wabili silai safi tedi baladi wa nurul akiyasu fi yadi luma Allah 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 mo ti dé mo wá gbàre mi o.